If you are looking to upscale or modernize your kitchen and you do not want to break the bank, you need to try these great farmhouse style bar stools found on Amazon. I got this in a 3-piece and they are just the perfect, simple, classic, modern looking bar stool. A beautiful soft fabric here on the top. It's nice and thick and cushiony. And then we have the legs are just this gorgeous natural wood that sort of looks like it's almost been lime washed or whitewashed. This is perfect for a modern kitchen. The counter stools are perfect that they can just slide right under so they don't have a big back. So if you aren't using them, they can slide right under easily. They do come with some assembly. So I will just show you. Each one, when you get multiples, each one comes individually packaged with everything, all of the tools you're going to need to put the one together. So the legs come wrapped for each one. The seat cushion comes wrapped, and then all of the bolts, there's an Allen key, everything that you're going to need to put it together here. And then the crossbars come as a set together as well. So you've got your top bars all together and your bottom crossbars all together. So beautifully packaged, everything comes super easy to put together. Each stool probably only takes about 10 minutes. I'm just going to show you how to put one together as well. And here it is sitting at my current countertop before my move. These are absolutely beautiful. Look at the beautiful stitching on them. They are absolutely gorgeous, nice and soft, super cushiony. They're nice and thick. It's like a memory foam inside there. And then yes, the legs are just a nice natural wood. They are perfect for any kitchen to have that upscale, clean, modern look.